Guys, it's Anna. Welcome back and Merry Christmas and welcome to Yule Ball Box Swap 2023. I'm so excited that I was invited to participate in this box swap yet again. It's always so much fun. Amazing friends are hosting this box swap. Melissa from Geeking Out with Melly Mel and Christian from McDorks. So I'm so excited. I have my box right here. I cannot wait to open it and share everything with you. Requirements for the box was a candle, apparel, an ornament, a mystery item, and like a cup or a mug. And then of course if you wanted to add anything extra, that is totally up to you to decide. My person is actually Christian from McDorks, so I'm so excited that I got to send my box to the host, to one of the hosts of this amazing box swap, and he actually sent me my box as well. So it's right here, it's really big. Let me show you this amazing box. Alright, so like it's humongous, and I do love the way Christian decorated the box. It has so many great stickers and like stamps, and I'm just beyond excited to get into this box. So let me open it and we'll see what's inside. So I opened it up and this is the first thing I see, this beautiful ribbon. It is amazing. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, doesn't it just get you into the holiday spirit? And I see that there's a card, so we're gonna read that first. There's my card. Oh my god, it has that stamp in the bag. I love this. Absolutely love details like that, so that is super sweet. Let's open it up. Oh my god, I don't even want to break it. It is so cute. Oh, look at this. All right, I'm feeling stuff in here. Stickers, holy moly, there's lots of stickers. Okay, let's read the card and then I'll show you the stickers. Sorry, I was just looking at the picture. So my card reads, "Hey Anna, thank you so much for being part of this year's Yule Ball swap. I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas with your friends and family. Stay dorky." Christian, thank you so much. You are so sweet. Merry Christmas to you, to your friends, to your family, and all of your loved ones. Thank you so much for inviting me and allowing me to participate in this amazing box swap. I am so happy to be here, but I cannot wait to see what's in this box. Okay, so we took off the ribbon, so it seems like it's 3 pieces. Beautiful, definitely could add it to the tree. So I'm just taking out a bunch of tissue paper and like these little air pocket things. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to open first. Like, all right, let's see. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so this looks like a ginormous candy and I love it. Okay, I love all the details of the wrapping, the little string, super cute, love it. Okay, let's see. When the requirements were sent out for the box swap, we also had a questionnaire that went out to everybody, so you kind of just, you know, included your favorites, things that you like to collect, things that you don't like to collect, your favorite characters, your favorite movies, your favorite colors, whether you have allergies or not. So we kind of had an idea and we ran with it. Okay. Right over here. Alright, I see more wrapping underneath. Alright, I think I'm just gonna rip it, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. We have the golden snitch. Isn't he beautiful? I love this. I haven't seen one like that. It's just perfection. Wow, I've never seen one this big. I think I have an ornament. Thank you so much. I love so many things. Okay, so this is the next little baggie. Christian, you did a phenomenal job packing everything up, because packing things, wrapping things is dedication. And look, he even did a little something here. All right, what do we have here? It's wrapped. Oh, I think also one of the requirements was a pen. Gorgeous. It's this ornament of a lion. That is beautiful. Beautiful. And it comes with a little string. That is beautiful. It feels like it's glass. That is beautiful. I love this. I love this a lot. Stunning. Stunning. I love it. Thank you so much, Kristen. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it just hit me that I didn't even show you guys the stickers because I was like so excited to get into the box. So there's one like this. It says "Stay Dorky." And this sticker, I love their personal stickers. I gotta find out where they print them because they are really cute. Oh, I love this one. This is so cute. And the colors. And this one. Fake fan. And this one. So cute. Okay, I think that's all of them. Really cute. Oh my god, I love this one. Such a great sticker. Okay, so let's move on to the next item that's in the box. I'm just gonna grab it like this. Okay, so this is the box. Feels like it has weight to it. So I'm gonna use my scissors, you know, in the way that you absolutely should not be using your scissors. Candle! I love candles. Okay, I think it says Potions Class. Very good wrapping. I cannot see. Does it say cinnamon? Balsam? Mmm. Oh, and it has the wooden wick. I love that. Handcrafted in Oregon. That smells like a beautiful Christmas. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't read the very fine print because then my eyes are gonna start hurting. Your girl needs some glasses. But this is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get the next item. Got a little box. All right, let's open it up. This is a mystery pin box. Looks like this. I haven't seen this one. It's Universal Studios. And I guess I can't even read it. I can't even read it. Well, these are the options that you could get, but the print is so fine. I cannot even read it, guys. So let's open it up together. I opened up these kinds of boxes in a long time. We used to love doing this, like over, you know, the thing that like made the whole world crazy. Yeah, during that time. Okay, so I'm gonna open up both of them. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. Wow. Beautiful pins. So this is the first one. Is it gonna focus? There you go. And right away I'll show you the second one. And this is the second pin. Can't even read what it says. It's so embarrassing. I need glasses. But very nice. Very nice. Very beautiful pins. I have not seen pins like this. Very beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 items left. We have this little baggie and we have a big box. So let's save the big box for last and open this, which looks like it's something from Alex and Ani. So this is a necklace and I absolutely love that it's like two metals combined, gold and silver, and it looks so beautiful. I like this a lot. I don't have anything like this. This is beautiful. And you could make it longer and shorter if you need to. This is lovely. So pretty. Thank you so much. This is really gorgeous. I love this a lot. Beautiful. So now we have, let me double check. Okay, that's it. It's empty. This is the last item we have. So we have our pin, ornament, candle, the jewelry, which I guess could be the mystery item, stickers, and a card. And we have this item. Okay, let's open it. I'm excited. Holy moly, this is ginormous. Oh my gosh. Look at this mug. This is incredible. I love this. Oh my god, I have to open this up. I have to open this up. I love mugs. Love mugs. I'm a tea girl. And the mugs, I love them and they love me. It is ginormous, but wait a minute, is it a mug or is it something else? I mean, it looks like it's a mug. Okay, let's take this out. Oh my god, Jolly Rancher! No, it is a mug. I love Jolly Ranchers. I got gummies and more gummies. Love Jolly Ranchers. Yeah, look, it's like the size of my head. It's big. I love big mugs. This is so cool. This is so cool. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Oh my god. One of my kids is going to steal this from me for sure. Okay, and while we're here, let's open one up. These are the original flavors. And they are gummies. What is your favorite flavor? I like the apple. That was so good. I have to have one more. Be right back. I want to say a big thank you to Christian for putting this amazing box together for me. I truly enjoy it. Jolly Ranchers on point. Ornament, incredibly beautiful. The candle smells heavenly. The mug is the size of my head. I love the bigger the better because I can put so much tea in there. And oh my gosh, pins, the necklace, the candle, and this guy. I really like this guy. He is just magnificent. I say thank you one more time to Christian. Thank you so much for putting this amazing box together. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy New Year. Happy and healthy to everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone who's participating in this box swap will be linked down below. Definitely head over and see Christian's video because I sent him my box and it's a pretty good one, at least I think. So definitely check it out, show him some love, and show love to everyone who's participating in this swap. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.